Okay, awesome. We're live. We're live. Awesome. Okay. Um, Let me just check. Nope. Don't go. Stay in. I know. La 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 la. Okay. Here we are. I wanted to react to this video because it's exactly what's wrong uh, with the whole AI space. Um, I have to say he has like a nice thumbnail, awesome thumbnail, like, really nice thumbnail. I have to admit it, that's nice. But let's watch it.
In less than 30 minutes. I just built an AI agent in less than 30 minutes without
Okay.
knowing how to code for
Okay.
completely free. Hi, I'm
Okay.
Ishan, and this is a crazy AI agent I've just built which goes on Amazon.in, logs into my account, I gave it the password, searches for a detergent, selects a detergent, it adds it to the cart, and it then purchases it on my behalf using my Amazon Pay balance, selects the address, and makes the purchase. That
Where's this demonstration a pre-recorded video? shouldn't the agent like do it? And also, how long did he say it
I just
took?
built an AI agent in less than 30 minutes.
30 minutes. Okay. So that you can automate something that takes, I mean, let's see how long it takes to do something like that. I'll start a stopwatch. Start. Okay. Amazon detergent. I think, like, is there any criteria with which it decides what to take? I don't think so. Okay. And now it's just a click of this button. So 35 seconds. What kind of value are you building by this, bro? What kind of value are you providing with this agent? This guy knows nothing. This is the problem with the whole coding space, with the whole AI space. There's so many people who are building toys, and they're not even building them themselves. They just have like ChatGPT build it for them, and then they go on and say, I built this, when they actually haven't built anything. This is so stupid. This guy is quite clearly a scammer. He's not teaching you anything. I believe he makes money by selling courses on how to like build this stuff, which he doesn't know how to build himself because he just uses ChatGPT to do it. And then he doesn't even like provide any like proof or even a working demo. The demo is a video, pre-recorded video, and he just scrolls through it. Like, come on, bro. How many views did this get? 232,000? And this guy is good at making thumbnails, and that's it. But I'm sorry, but I have to fucking dislike this. It's such a stupid, like, come on, bro. If you're gonna build an agent, I can buy like, come on, bro. I think that, by the way, all of this kind of stuff is just gonna be automated by Amazon themselves. So it's just gonna be a UI thing. Amazon is gonna build a UI on top, and maybe they'll even allow you to customize it. But at the end of the day, and this is not the kind of AI agent you want to build, but I think let's build our agent now. I'm live streaming, by the way. So I live stream almost every day. And if you want to see me build stuff of actual value or that I actually like, you should watch. And don't listen to this guy. He's a stupid ass idiot. Anyway, let's close all of this. I have to say, I've been extremely proficient with content lately. You can make so much by live streaming. I love live streaming because it just allows you to make a huge amount of minutes of content without having to necessarily edit it or anything like that. It's just a good way of letting everything out. And then you just can clip everything and it's nice. Anyway, let's get back coding. I watched that idiot. Honestly, I don't want to watch that kind of stuff. I've thought of making reaction videos. I just feel like there's not particular value in that. It's a good way to take someone else's work and just build on top of it, but you depend on that person first of all. I don't know the copyright sort of situation on YouTube. I don't want to know about that, and I think ultimately I don't want to watch that, like, unless I'm reacting to stuff that I think is genuinely valuable. But at that point I think that you should just go straight to source. But the only kind of stuff that actually gets better by someone reacting to it is stuff that you wouldn't want to watch on its own. So actually, it could be very useful for like extremely difficult stuff. So now that I think about it, we could be watching university lectures live. That would be actually a pretty interesting thing with the schedule and everything. Now that I think about it, that could be a good idea, honestly. Yeah, I'll have to look into that because the main problem with university lectures is that I don't tend to watch them all the way to the end. What happens is I tend to stop watching them at a certain point. But yeah, so I've made some changes to Midori web app. I wanted to check out what these changes look like. So let's see them, and then I have to add a new, like totally new front end paradigm, but we'll get to that. So I think that I'm gonna subscribe to 11 Labs. 11 Labs is, by the way, I think I have a, yeah, I should be adding my 11 Labs referral below my videos, I guess. All of them.
Se stai cercando una narrazione potente ma delicata, l'hai trovata. Usa il tuo testo e...
Cerchi una voce per i tuoi progetti? Sono perfetto per questo.
Stai cercando una voce morbida per audio?
Non ci sono preoccupazioni immediate, ma è meglio effettuare controlli periodici per assicurarsi che tutto proceda.
Okay. So, I think I'm just gonna oh, I guess this is for like, yeah, I get it. I've also gotten paid by these guys, by 11 Labs. I have like $8 or $9 in referral credits. I just referred myself. So I mean, gotta do what you gotta do, man. So now I have $8 to spend on this. I think that once again the pricing is a bit too much. You know, $22 a month for 2 hours. Come on, man. Novocaine, baby. I think this $5 a month works for me. I'll just hide my screen in a second. Let me just sign up real quick. And okay, awesome. All the pretty girls involved with me, making pretty love to me, pretty. Oh, I can't feel a thing. Can't feel it. Can't feel a thing. Can't feel it. No, can't. Can't feel it. For the pain. Can't feel it. Around. I'm pretty sure that there is a better voice model than 11 Labs. I'm pretty sure there is. I'm pretty sure that even even what's it called? Even OpenAI Whisper is better, or at least, the point is, OpenAI Whisper costs, I think, 10 times less than 11 Labs. So even if the model itself is not as good, you have 10 times as many attempts. For $5, you get half an hour here, and you get 5 hours with OpenAI. That's simply a different magnitude of impact that you're having. So anyway, I think that AI has destructive sort of consequences on the world of education, because people don't want to learn anymore. Since AI can just do stuff, you would want it to do stuff for you without you having to learn. Like, in the same way I'm letting it code for me, I don't want to learn how to code. I want this to code by itself and work. I'll be kind, I'll say, okay, please, thank you, but realistically, I don't care. Like, I don't care about learning this anymore. I just want it to work. Which is, I get it working. Also. So it's like you get the price without having to play, without having to try. And the economic value of this sort of decreases strongly, because why would you pay for something that somebody has made without any effort? But I don't know, honestly. Like, anyway, let's work on like actual real stuff. So I think that I want to try this on something more complete. So I feel like what should we make a video about though? Let me think about that. So we're gonna make a video about Posto le clip, in realtà prima ho fatto una reaction assurda a un handicappato.
Vero?
Sì.
Ma te non fermavo no.
No. Cioè, di un indiano handicappato, in realtà ho fatto la reaction a 30 secondi di video. Di un video di tipo 20 secondi. Cioè, di 20
Ma
minuti.
sai qual è il modo migliore? Il vero modo migliore è prendere il video stesso, schiaffarlo dentro, quindi cioè vedi solo il video e poi a un certo punto quando dici qualcosa di stupido subentri tu.
Ovvio, ovvio.
Cioè tipo quello dice cioè se tu fai un video su tipo
Sì, ma è esattamente quello che ho
se fai un video
fatto. Solo che la
healthy
cosa
breakfast che cioè tipo all'inizio tipo tutti gli indiani dicono e poi arrivi tu che dici this is why India is failing, this is why the health system and like
Healthy
everything.
because it's good, guys. Oh my god, guys.
Sai che è veramente più healthy? È veramente più healthy, cioè forse le patatine fritte sono più healthy perché assorbono meno olio.
No, Floris, basta.
Però non hanno proteine. Quindi
Basta,
in effetti è più
Floris!
healthy delle patatine fritte, quindi è healthy. Contenuto che c'è. Let's get it started, pijama. Let's get pijama started. Cioè, figa. Che cazzo di... Cioè, figa, l'Elementor Pro ha dovuto scalare il mio case a tier 2, ma non sanno che è colpa tutta di un coglione di hosting. Cioè, secondo me è colpa di hosting. Cioè, sinceramente. Cioè, non aveva problemi di Elementor. Anzi, Elementor, cioè, proprio non aveva problemi.
Oh my god. I feel like the whole like front end part of things has made it more difficult for me because I'm not a front end person. I have no idea about how a front end works. I have like no experience working on front end and I don't understand what's going on. So it's like but anyway, we gotta start somewhere, you know.
Ok, mi hanno scritto. Mi ha scritto.
Okay, I feel like I just wanna. I think that directionally we're in the right direction. It's just the prompts that have been used need to be changed. Pretty birdie. All that pretty girls involved with me, making pretty loud. Oh, I
Let's get pajamas.
can't feel a thing. Image. Source. Good. Oh, come the fuck on, bro. Image generation using flux, using photoreal, using motion. Yeah, this is what I wanted to see. Can't feel feeling. So fundamentally, what this app is simply a separate.
Sergio ha risposto e ha detto che il problema è con l'hosting. E ha detto di contattare hosting e support, quindi cioè se mi dai la password di hosting o se mi scrivi un'email che ti manda.
Cerca.
E stai caricando il PC. Let's get pijama started, yeah. Let's get pijama started.
Okay. Let's see how this goes. Honestly, I'm kind of nervous and excited because, I mean, if this works, we're done. All that's left after that is fine-tuning a model to write well, and that's pretty much it. But I mean, we'll have to see. So I think it's just API reference. I wanted to, yeah, in an image. Okay, yeah, I'll just let this cook. And in the meantime, I have to really understand like what to build, like what to write. I think that at the end of the day, like anybody can edit nowadays. There's all sorts of video editing tools and all sorts of apps and all sorts of things. So it's not particularly, yeah, I mean this project of mine, as long as the research that it does is good, like the images and all of the rest is just an extra. Especially for like educational videos, would you watch them because they're nice, like because they look good, or because they're actually teaching you something? I don't know, but that probably is the case. That's probably the reason why I shouldn't be automating educational videos, because those sort of need the whole thing to be actually educational and well brought out. Whereas, you know, I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, let's generate a random audio. It's gonna be. So whenever I ask Gemini to make some, like to write something, it always uses shitty Let's see if there's something interesting out here. Okay, awesome. Let's see.
India's economy is trying to go up like a rocket. It wants to grow fast. Right now, it's one of the fastest growing in the world. Think of a store selling more and more things. That's what's happening. More people use phones and computers, and businesses use more technology. The government builds roads and bridges to help the country grow. People who study the economy think India will keep growing. They say India has many young people to work and buy things. The government wants more factories and money from other countries. They also want clean energy. India has good things. It has many people to buy and work. It has more technology. And it has a big market inside the country. But it also has bad things. Some people are rich and some are poor. Not everyone gets the good things from the growth. Farming is not always good. India needs better roads and power. It also has many rules that make it hard for businesses. So, India's economy is growing fast. It can be very strong, but it needs to fix some problems. It needs to make sure everyone gets the good things and build better roads and power.
I mean, this video is ass. It's so simple. Like, it's overly simplistic, I feel. But I think that what I'm building isn't like generic stuff. It's an avatar driven AI channel. I think that we're gonna see a lot of them come out soon enough at least. If you look at this, okay, yeah, I feel like the whole product that I've built is fundamentally a bad copy of a bad product. So, I mean, not great. It works. It gets something out. I feel like there's so much more to do. You know, a lot of people are gonna just use HeyGen and products like those. I feel like HeyGen is disgusting, and anybody who uses it is disgusting by proxy. HeyGen is the laziest, dumbest, most effortless, but like in a bad way. The least effort kind of thing that you can build, and it's awful. It's absolutely disgusting. So yeah, HeyGen is for me an absolute no go. I hate HeyGen. Honestly, with a passion. I fucking hate HeyGen. I tried it. I even have avatars of myself, but I don't know. I even paid for like 2 months of it, and it didn't work out for me. It's just I feel like a lot of times I've wanted to like open up a channel, but without any clear indication on where to take it. So yeah, that's a big problem, I would say. So let's see. I just feel like what really is needed is a transcription and a way of just prompting with text a something like a regular AI model. Sorry, a regular video editing thing. So yeah, that's kind of the thing that I want to get out of this. So let's see how that goes. It's a bit of a mess. To be honest, like the whole product that I've built, what I'm learning, what I've learned in the past year is that I can't fucking build stuff on my own. I'm not meant to be like working by myself unless it's a very analytical job. That is pretty much my main takeaway from all of this. That if I build something on my own, it needs to be like something huge. And it can't be something that I build along with AI because AI is fucking stupid and it doesn't work and it messes everything up. And yeah, I fucking hate AI. But I think that setting up shop for an AI that actually is autonomous, trying, and relentless is actually something that's dope. So I feel like I'll set up an AI that sort of tries actually finding like real correlations. Like, oh, I'm dropping a lot of frames. Wow. Okay. Okay. So let's see what this is like. Okay. Yeah. No, però 0. Male, Floris. Però va bene, cioè, alla fine sto solo lavorando, cioè, sto facendo coding.
Cosa? Ma mica è un cryptovalut, no, cryptocoins, basta.
È l'intelligenza artificiale del futuro.
Ma che cazzo stai dicendo, Massimo?
L'ho detto. L'ho detto, Floris.
Flori.
Floris.
Guarda che non mi chiamo Flori, è mia sorella che si chiama Floralessi.
No, sei tu, sei tu. Ma va bene, vedo che sei bravo, non devi preoccuparti.
Guarda che alla fine la personalità viene fuori, cioè magari le prime volte che vai non viene fuori, ma poi quando cominci ad andare tipo alle superiori lì viene fuori la personalità. Flori,
Ah, ho capito, ho
hai
capito.
capito bene?
Sì, ho capito, ho capito.
No, non hai capito. Te lo dico io che non hai capito.
Ho capito, sì. Ho capito.
Ma figa, fai esattamente come Maximo, questo è un
Sì, capito. Sì.
capito?
Sì.
E allora ti chiedo una domanda, ma se vai a 1 metro al secondo per 10 secondi quanti metri fa? Mai capito cosa vuol dire? Ma tu mi hai detto che avevi capito, ma poi, cioè, poi mi hai detto che l'espressione non è che l'avevi capito e poi così.
Sì, ho capito.